Started talking again. They're talking and squawking, and I saw some rainbow colors, so I thought I'd come out. It's January 31st, 2018, 1:29 p.m. It's hard for me to see. I stepped outside so I don't have to deal with the dirt and the dust on the window, glass door. And I saw rainbow colors, but I can't see them through here because the sun is just too much of a glare. I can barely see anything. Oh, and I'm on -2 brightness. I'll show you a default. Default really gets bright, and that happens. -1. We'll do it there. How about there? I don't know. I can't tell what's going on. But the bird said, "Hey, get out here and look at this rainbow around the sun." See? I'm looking. We're looking. We're looking. There's also some weird clouds. Some weird shadows in the clouds. It's hard for me to see, so I'm just going to kind of go through the sky a little. See that or not? Above. Alright. About halfway zoomed in. 3/4. 7/8. Yeah, that's too close. Alright, let's go back down to about half. I don't know. But I saw the rainbow colors. I thought, oh, I better get out here. Show you this. I'm going to knock it right back to default so we can see the clouds better. These birds are upset. I don't think that's happy talk. That's more like distress and warning. Did you guys see that video? Secure Team 10 had it on there today, on their show today, about the birds just dying in Utah, just falling out of the sky dead. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. God bless.